Hello and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to sign up into Grammarly. For that, let me install it before I sign up. And now after that, just open your Grammarly app, and now you need to tap on get started button and tap on turn notification if you want notification from them. But if you don't want notification from them, simply tap on skip button, and you'll have to choose your and then you'll have to choose how you want to sign up, through your email or your Apple or your Google account. And after selecting that, it will ask you to give them access about your name and profile picture and your email, and then it will ask you to add them in your keyboard. Just tap on that and do what they show you in this widget. Just go on that and give them access, and that is how you can. And to use Grammarly, just tap on this button and tap on continue and choose Grammarly, and that is how you can sign up into your Grammarly. I hope this video helps you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.